Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystem.com, making this small video about gold and a couple other setups, that upcoming setup. So let's get started. Well, this week I'm sick. I'm not trading. I'm not feeling good. I didn't do the webinar today as well. I'm just resting, taking some medicine. Hopefully, we'll start doing the trading and all that next week. I'm not trading at all. My son is taking a couple of trades, but not me. So this is how it is. But gold is setting up very nicely, and a couple other indexes. So I just wanted to make a video and then give it to you guys so that you can maybe tonight is going to be Thursday, a big day, right? So we might get some really good trades. So let's get started. Gold 15 minutes. So let me show you the monthly chart. The monthly chart that I had long time ago. I made in the last year, actually on 2022 October. This is the wave 4 ending, and then we're supposed to go for wave 5 to the upside, and this is where we're supposed to go higher than this wave 3. So since then, the whole 2023, I made several chart. You can see my old videos. Gold videos. I'm not gonna show this. The charts are, here they're different places. So you can watch my previous video, see all the charts. But currently, what happened to this weekly chart is, let me show you. This is where we are now, right? So from here, we start to go up, and then I was keep making the charts, and all these ups and downs follow up. And this is a chart I made. This was it was actually the last chart I made was December 31st, 2023, and it's supposed to be coming down a little bit on 2009, and then bounce, right? I was expecting that it might be coming down to 1987, but what happened to this chart so far and what it is doing right now, let's go take a look at that, because that's what I just want to show you. So this is what it is, right? This is my Renko chart, 1500 brick size. So this is a very nice setup, basically, right? So it hit this 2080, it went up, hit, then dropped, and this is another high is 2032, and you can see this rising TL, and this is where it is getting stopped, right? So very good chance. I'm not saying that it's definitely going to go up, but it's very good chance that it will go. And then if you pull the fib from here to here, it's exactly, it touched the 61% line, and then trying to bounce, and then holding there, right? So it's very, very important to watch this one, smaller time frame, right? Whatever the system you use, just watch it. I'll be looking for a 100 big size chart for early entry, and then take it all the way maybe to this high or even higher than that. Our target use is basically this. It's 61%. It's 2184 or higher. So we bounce from here. We're going to take this out. We're going to take this high out, and then we go over there. It's not going to be in one day or 1 week, right? But that is eventual target is that, right? So this is, I just wanted to show that this is what the gold is doing. So be ready above 2032. You find your setup, entry setup, long entry setup, and take it. I'm going to take it, and I'll show you later on. Not me, but I just told my son, already know, so he's going to do it. I will just after this making this video, I'm gonna just rest. All right. So, another couple of charts I want to show is that this pound index chart on a 40-minute chart, you can see that it went up like bazooka, all the way up big time, right? And this is a big level here, 6701. So this is it's too much. It's too much in a straight line, right? You can see that this much distance and then it retraces. This is the distance and it retraces. Every time it goes this much and then it retraces, right? But this is just too much. So I think that it's getting stopped at 6701, and if we stay below, right? If we have a reversal candle, then this thing definitely will at least retrace 38%, 50%, and that in doing that, it will send all the pound pairs to the downside, right? Except EG. EG will go up, euro pound. So pay attention to that. This chart I'm going to post on the Telegram. Right? I'm going to post a video as well on the Telegram. This one, and another chart is very interesting. Is this is yen index, right? So I thought first that, maybe this is it, and 69.18 is going to stop and send us to the downside. So yes, it started to drop, and I had a couple of entries, but they all backfire, and then I got out on break even, all of them, and it went up. So I said, okay, what the hell with it? I'll wait. So somewhere here, this is high. I forgot to pull the fib. If you pull the fib, this is like around 78% of this retracement. So somewhere here is going to make the turn. Okay, either from where it is now, or it may go up a little bit and then make the turn. That first is probably going to be coming down, like, draw the teal. I made this chart in a hurry. Like I said, that I'm not feeling good, so a little mistakes here there. Emissions. So right. But I forgot to draw the TL. See, this TL, it will probably drop here, and then if anything, a lot of things can happen, right? They're going to start raising the rate and blah, blah, blah. So if that happens, it may go down all the way. But technically, this is A, B, and C. We need to be coming down here, 127, right? So let's see what happens. If this thing start to drop, all yen pair going to drop big time. Okay, just like they went up big time, right? Last couple of days, they've been going up, up, up in a straight line. So now it's time. It's time that it will drop. All of those yen pairs. So be ready for these things. And like I said, that I already posted on my Telegram. I posted the gold chart, and I'm gonna post this yen chart and the pound chart, right? And just have those charts ready on your, just set it up on your computers so that you can refer to those charts and then follow up on the yen pairs and pound pairs, right? So tonight probably gonna be a big night, but I'll be sleeping and you guys take the trade, all right? And then show me later on. And then gold, if it's gonna start bouncing, then look for entry from like a 70-minute, 70 brick size or 100 brick size. I have the chart set up. My son is gonna take the entry from probably 100 brick size. That's what he has the chart set up. All right, so this is it for now. I just don't want to go into more detail about the other pairs and all that. Maybe I'm gonna go to sleep now, and when I wake up, maybe hour and a half, 2 hour, then if possible, then I'm gonna make the video, another video about a US dollar index and what it is doing. All right, so might be helpful. When in the morning, tomorrow morning, we have a very good news about US dollar, so that might move the USD pairs. Right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful. By the way, this is my website here. All right. So if you're interested, you want to get the system, you want to get learn how to trade the way we trade here, right? Then and do the analysis the way I do. Then come on this my website here. You have a monthly subscription, yearly, all of that, and one-on-one coaching, lifetime membership, all that crap is here. You can choose the program that suits you the best. Okay, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week. And talk to you guys later.